Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Redmi Note 11 Pro with a cracked display, and as you can see, what a good looking device. So David is gonna be here for us to fix this. So first off, we're gonna remove this back cover. We're gonna slowly pry it open. And since the back cover is not damaged at all, we're gonna take our time, agitate the glue, and then cut right through it. And just like any other smartphone, it hasn't been opened before, so the glue is still very sticky, but it's not a problem. As you can see, the housing is free of glue, and then we're gonna reuse that later on when we put it back. So we're gonna screw all the screws that holds the housing at the back. It covers the main boards, and of course we're gonna remove the SIM card tray so that we can remove the components that we want to remove. Sometimes you can't really remove this plastic, the middle part, when you have the SIM card tray on, so it comes with experience, and David here has a lot of experience repairing a lot of smartphones. As you can see here, you don't force it when it doesn't want to come out, and David is now diagnosing the problem. There's a connector for the power button or the fingerprint scanner, so we're gonna detach this. So if you force it, this very thin and narrow piece of cable will be snapped off. That's gonna be a problem on its own. You're not gonna be able to use your fingerprint scanner. We're gonna detach the battery, the daughter board. This is where the connector for the display is connected, so we're gonna push that to the side and detach this connector right here. We're gonna take out our replacement display and connect this to this connector right here. We're gonna reconnect the battery and try to turn it on through the power button on the side. We'll see, and it seems not to be turning on, so David is gonna do some troubleshooting. Sometimes the smartphones that are broken are not really used that much for many days, so it's a possibility that the battery is fully drained, and we haven't tested it before we opened it, so I'm gonna try to put back the charging board, and there you go. It's really dead, 0% battery, and once we popped in the charger through the charging module board, we have a life. So we're going to try to turn it off for now. We have confirmed that the touch screen and the display is working with the board, so we're going to continue with our full disassembly. Next step is to remove the actual glass in front of the device. So this kind of construction is not really used for high-end devices. Usually you see a display on top of a unibody housing. This one is in a lot of pieces. You have a middle piece, and then it's covered, sandwiched by the display and the back cover, which is kind of the mid-range smartphones design. This one is a mid-range smartphone. As you can see, the glue is also not that thick, not that sticky. It's good enough for the price. I'm gonna put our fresh liquid glue on the housing so we can install our replacement display. So far, no drama at all. It's just a lot of parts that has been removed. So if you don't want the hassle of doing it yourself, or you don't want to do it yourself because it's so complicated right here, even David is already making it quite easier, but when you do it on your own kitchen counter or your living room table, it's not going to be the same experience. David here has a lot of tools, specialist tools, proper lighting, and of course experience to do these repairs, so You can visit him in Sydney CBD Repair Center, and if you can't, you can send in your broken smartphone so he can fix it for you. How we do it is you send it through mail, we receive it, and then we fix it in the shop, maybe shoot a video for it, and once we're done, we're gonna send it back to you. We have a lot of clients overseas and of course within Australia who has some exotic smartphones, especially Asus ROG smartphones that other repair service centers don't really cater to. So we fix them here in the shop, and we have a lot of good feedback on Google Maps. So you can visit us, you can check us out on our Facebook, on our website, on our Google account. And you can also check our channel. We have a lot of repair videos like this one. These are from the real clients. So as you can see here, we just have one camera. So it's a genuine repair. David is actually doing the repair in real time, and we're just editing it so that it's going to be an educational piece for those who wanted to DIY or those who wanted to have their smartphone fixed. So this one is already fixed up. We're just gonna clean up the sides, and a 3% battery is doing pretty good. We're gonna reinstall the back cover for now, and then we're gonna be done. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. If you have any questions or hesitations to have your smartphone fixed, don't hesitate. Just save some money, fix that smartphone, and save the environment. Right here, it's like nothing happened to it. It looks brand new already. This is the side by side to the old one. So thanks for joining, guys. Have a great holiday season. Until next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.